All right, today I'm doing an S25 Ultra case review. I just got the Fint case. This one is right off of Amazon, and it's pretty slim, fits well, doesn't really add any bulk, and as you can see, I have the protective tempered glass on the camera here, as well as the front, and this case wraps around just fine. Doesn't interfere with the tempered glass at all. It does have the little charging ring. I tested it out. It wirelessly charges just fine. Doesn't interfere with any of the ports or anything. So, I mean, as far as the case, I mean, it's go ahead and take it off. Like you can tell, it's like not um, soft plastic. It's fairly rigid, pretty durable. Like feels like it could take a decent kind of a fall. It would definitely help prevent any kinds of nicks on your phone. So so far, I'm very happy with the Fint case, and would definitely recommend you guys go out and get one.